Okay, lesson 14. Let's get down to it. So, this lesson is about missing numbers and subtraction. The numbers in an addition problem can be read in reverse direction to form a subtraction fact. All right, so here in our first example, we have reading down. This would read 3 plus 4 is 7. And reading up, it would say 7 minus 4 is 3. All right, so also, likewise, the numbers in a subtraction fact can be read in reverse direction to form an addition fact. So reading down, we have 9 minus 5 is 4. Or we could read that going up for an addition problem. It would say 4 plus 5 is 9. All right, so here's our first example. Reverse order these numbers to form an addition fact. So we have 68 minus 45 equals 23. So you write them in reverse order. You see I've done this in green, 23, 45, 68. Then insert the plus and equal sign. 23 plus 45 equals 68. Also, I have another example over here. 77 take away 23 equals 54. So I write them in reverse order, and then I just add my addition sign and my equal line. So I'm going to say 54 plus 23 equals 77. Excuse me. Example 2, find the missing number. So if I have a missing number here, or we'll just look at this one right here. Reading down, it would say f minus 15 is 24. Reading down. Reading up, it would say 24 plus 15 is, okay, so in order to make it an addition problem, we got to write it backwards. So right here, 24 plus 15 is f. So we got to figure out what f is. So I do 24 plus 15 is 39. So I just, in order to find what that is, I just add these two to see what that is. So 39, then I'm going to double check it. Look at this, double check right here. I actually substitute this 39 in for f. 39 take away 15 is 24. Yes, that works out. Good. So you can see right here, first, second, third. So the second or third number of a subtraction problem can be found by subtracting, right? Or adding it the opposite direction. So if you had this as your problem, then you could say t plus s equals f. Okay, that's how it would look backwards. I just do TSF instead of SFT, TSF, and then I reverse it. All right, here's your third example. 5 years from now, Kendall's grandfather will be 60 years old. Which equation can we make to find his age now? So we have A. We know that Kendall's grandfather is less than 60 years old now because he will be 60 years old, okay? We need to solve each problem to find the answer that is reasonable. First equation, we find the missing add-in by subtracting, okay? So we're going to write this backwards. 65A. So since it's addition, we've got to make it subtraction. So we do 60 take away 5. That equals 55. Okay? And then to do this one, we have to write them backwards, 65A. And since this is subtraction, we've got to make it addition. So this would mean he's 65, okay? These are all what A is equaling, okay? And then this one, we write them backwards, A 560. And since that's addition, we have to do subtraction. A minus 5 equals 60. Well, that would mean that A would still be 65, because 65 minus 5 equals 60. Whoops. Right, so this would be 65. 65 would be what that A equals, all right? Anyway, the real answer is this one, because we know that he's not yet 60 years old, so he can't be 65, okay? And these both say 65. So for your lesson practice, you're going to be doing these problems right here. I hope you can see them, yes. W minus A equals 6. 23 minus Y equals 17. 63 minus P equals 20. And G minus 36 equals 14. I will see that tomorrow.